Krispy Kreme, Key Franchise Information, Series, Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises, Goals, Mission and Vision of Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme is one of the most beloved donut brands in the world, known for its original glazed donuts and signature Hot Now sign. The company was founded in 1937 by Vernon Rudolph in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. He started by selling donuts to local grocery stores and eventually opened a walk-up window to meet customer demand. Krispy Kreme earns money through retail sales, drive-through service, delivery, branded kiosks, and grocery store partnerships. Its mission is to make the most awesome donuts on the planet every single day. The brand's vision is to create joyful moments through fresh donuts and warm experiences, expanding globally while maintaining quality and consistency. Are you wondering if a Krispy Kreme franchise is right for you? In this video, we'll give you key information about Krispy Kreme, from the brand's mission and vision, through its business model, to the support it offers to franchisees. This will help you make an informed decision about investing. 1. How does a Krispy Kreme franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Krispy Kreme operates on a single-unit and multi-unit franchise system. Franchisees run their own donut shops under the brand, following strict standards for recipes, service, and store layout. Fee structure. Franchisees pay an initial fee of $25,000, plus 6% royalty and 2% marketing fees based on gross revenue. Support from Krispy Kreme. Franchisees receive help with site selection, lease negotiation, construction, training, and marketing. The brand provides in-person training at headquarters, on-site support during opening, and ongoing field visits from regional managers.
Anecdote. One of the first franchisees in California opened near a school, and the Hot Now sign became so popular that students would line up before class just to grab a warm donut.
2. Entry costs for Krispy Kreme. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. Total investment ranges from $44,000 to $12,000 depending on location and format. This includes franchise fee, leasehold improvements, equipment and signage, POS systems and tech setup, inventory and uniforms, permits, licenses, and legal fees, pre-opening payroll and training. Additional funds for 3 months of operations. Potential earnings. Average annual revenue per location is from $8,000 to $15,000. With profit margins from 12% to 20%, franchisees can expect net earnings from $96,000 to $3,000 annually.
Anecdote. One Krispy Kreme in Texas hit $1.6 million in sales in its first year, thanks to a location near a stadium and a partnership with Uber Eats.
3. Step-by-step. How to register a Krispy Kreme franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. Submit an application, complete a discovery call, attend interviews, review the franchise disclosure document, FDD, and sign the agreement. Documentation. You'll need a net worth of $5,000 and liquid assets of $25,000. Background checks, financial statements, and business plans are also required. Duration. The full process takes from 6 to 12 months, including approval, training, construction, and launch.
Anecdote. In 2025, a Krispy Kreme in Chicago broke the brand's single-day sales record, serving over 6,200 donuts and 500 gallons of coffee in 24 hours.
Taxes and fees in Krispy Kreme. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. Federal and state income taxes range from 21% to 35% of annual gross profit. Property taxes. These apply only to owned real estate and range from 1% to 2% of property value annually. Leased properties are not subject to this tax. State and local taxes include sales tax from 4% to 10%, use tax, and local business fees such as health permits, signage licenses, and food handling certifications. Licensing fees. These cover food service permits and business licenses. They average 0.5% of annual gross revenue. Training costs are not included here. Marketing fees. Krispy Kreme charges 2% of gross revenue for national and regional advertising. This includes digital campaigns, seasonal promotions, and brand partnerships.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Florida used their local marketing budget to sponsor a Donuts for Nurses Day, boosting weekday traffic by 42%.
Cost 5. Hiring employees in Krispy Kreme. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A typical Krispy Kreme location needs from 15 to 30 employees, including bakers, cashiers, prep staff, shift leads, and managers. Training costs. Initial training costs range from $3,000 to $8,000 depending on travel, lodging, and wages. Ongoing training is provided through in-person sessions and digital modules. Training systems. Franchisees and managers complete a multi-week onboarding program. Crew members use Krispy Kreme's e-learning platform and receive hands-on coaching from certified trainers.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Ohio trained their entire team using Krispy Kreme Academy and won Best Guest Experience in their region just 3 months after opening.
6. Krispy Kreme. Operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information, monthly. Ingredients and resources. $15,000 to $25,000, depending on menu volume and supplier contracts. Salaries and benefits. $2,000 to $35,000, including wages, insurance, and bonuses. Rent and utilities. $4,000 to $9,000, depending on location and lease terms. Insurance for premises. $3,000 to $7,000, covering property, liability, and workers' comp, maintenance and utility. $1,500 to $4,000 for repairs, cleaning, and upkeep. Licensing and marketing fees. $4,000 to $7,000 based on gross revenue, total of all taxes. Around $3,000 to $6,000 per month including state and local, and property taxes, other 30%. Miscellaneous costs like legal, accounting, and income tax.
Anecdote. One Krispy Kreme in California sold over 1,000 donuts in a single weekend, forcing the team to restock glaze and sprinkles twice in 48 hours.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. SNAN training and support. How does Krispy Kreme help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. Franchisees complete a multi-week onboarding program that includes classroom instruction, hands-on training at certified Krispy Kreme shops, and digital modules. Topics include donut production, customer service, inventory, and POS systems. Operational support. Krispy Kreme provides ongoing help from regional managers and franchise coaches. Support includes grand opening coordination, performance tracking, and local marketing guidance. E-learning platform. Crew members use Krispy Kreme's digital training system, which includes interactive lessons, videos, and quizzes. It's updated regularly to reflect new menu items and procedures. Marketing. Franchisees benefit from national campaigns, seasonal rollouts, and local store marketing kits. Krispy Kreme also provides branded assets, social media templates, and analytics tools to track campaign performance.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Michigan trained their entire team using Krispy Kreme Academy and won Best Operational Launch in their region just 2 months after opening.
AT franchise inspections in Krispy Kreme. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Local health departments conduct food safety and sanitation checks every 6 to 12 months. These include temperature logs, hygiene practices, allergen labeling, and food storage compliance. Internal inspections. Krispy Kreme Corporate performs quarterly audits focused on cleanliness, service speed, food quality, and brand consistency. Surprise visits may occur during promotional launches or peak seasons. Frequency. Internal inspections are scheduled every 3 months. Franchisees receive detailed feedback and action plans to improve performance and maintain brand standards.
Anecdote. A Krispy Kreme location in Arizona passed a surprise inspection with a perfect score, earning a Golden Glaze Award and a feature in the company newsletter.
9. Profitability of Krispy Kreme. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Krispy Kreme franchisees earn an average annual revenue from $8,000 to $15,000. With profit margins from 12% to 20%, net earnings typically range from $96,000 to $3,000 per year. ROI. Return on investment ranges from 12% to 20%. Most franchisees recover their initial investment within 2 to 3 years, depending on location, staffing, and operational efficiency. Success factors. Key drivers include strong brand loyalty, impulse-driven purchases, high-margin products, and strategic placement in high-traffic areas. Locations near schools, offices, and travel hubs tend to perform best.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Florida broke even in just 22 months, thanks to a location near a commuter rail station and a loyalty app campaign that boosted repeat visits.
10. Krispy Kreme in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information, market position. Krispy Kreme operates over 1,900 locations worldwide, including full shops, kiosks, and co-branded formats. It's a leading brand in the U.S. donut and coffee segment, known for its hot now experience and retail partnerships. Growth and expansion. The brand is expanding through drive-through formats, grocery store partnerships, and international markets. In 2025, Krispy Kreme added 58 new U.S. locations and launched a loyalty app with over 3 million users. Challenges. Rising ingredient costs, labor shortages, and competition from Dunkin', Tim Hortons, and local bakeries have impacted margins. Krispy Kreme responds with seasonal innovation, tech upgrades, and targeted promotions. Forecast. Analysts expect continued growth through digital ordering, co-branded formats, and expansion into non-traditional venues. The global donut market is projected to grow from $10.2 billion in 2025 to $13.8 billion by 2032, CAGR 4.5%. Krispy Kreme is positioned to lead this growth with its retail strategy and brand equity.
Anecdote. In 2025, Krispy Kreme launched its first drive-thru only location in Nevada and sold out of original glazed donuts by 11 a.m. on opening day.
11. Pros and cons of a Krispy Kreme franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros. A. Strong global brand and customer loyalty. B. High margin product with impulse appeal. Flexible formats including kiosks and drive-through. D. Support from parent company, Jabi Holding. Cons. A. High initial investment. B. Strict brand standards and limited customization. Key. Competitive breakfast and dessert market. Seasonal fluctuations in sales.
Anecdote. One franchisee in New Jersey said, "Krispy Kreme gives you the glaze, the crowd, and the brand power. You just need to bring the consistency."
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information, market research, study local demographics, traffic patterns, and competitor density. Look for underserved areas or resale opportunities. Financial assessment. Review startup costs, expected ROI, and monthly cash flow. Consult with a franchise accountant or advisor. Consultations with experts. Talk to current Krispy Kreme owners, attend Discovery Day, and read the Franchise Disclosure Document, FDD, carefully. Support evaluation. Compare Krispy Kreme's training, tech, and marketing support with other dessert brands. Franchise agreement analysis. Check for renewal terms, territory rights, exit clauses, and resale conditions.
Anecdote. One franchisee almost signed with a smoothie brand until they saw Krispy Kreme's impulse purchase margins and realized warm donuts were the real goldmine.
Conclusion. Who is the Krispy Kreme franchise for, and is it worth investing? Krispy Kreme is ideal for entrepreneurs who value indulgent food, high-traffic retail, and a proven business model. With average annual revenues from $8,000 to $15,000 and profit margins from 12% to 20%, it offers strong returns for those willing to manage operations hands-on. Most franchisees recover their investment within 2 to 3 years, making it one of the more stable opportunities in the fast casual dessert space. However, it's not for everyone. The initial investment ranges from $44,000 to $12,000, and Krispy Kreme enforces strict brand standards. Franchisees must follow exact procedures, recipes, and layouts. Flexibility is limited in terms of menu customization, and success depends on location, staffing, and execution. Krispy Kreme is best suited for multi-unit investors, experienced operators, and those with a passion for hospitality and impulse-driven retail. If you're ready to lead a team, deliver craveable donuts, and build a loyal customer base, this franchise might be your perfect match. Just be sure to do your homework, talk to current owners, and understand the commitment before jumping in. Anecdote. In 2025, a Krispy Kreme in Chicago broke the brand's single-day sales record, serving over 6,200 donuts and 500 gallons of coffee in 24 hours. Bibliography. Franchise Times. Franchise Business Review. Franchise World. Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Long John Silver's. Is Long John Silver's a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.